This is going to be an unboxing of some Douglas aluminum wheels for a quad, and I'll tell you how much these cost and what they'll fit, a little bit about them, and I have a scale here so I'll also be able to weigh them. These are Douglas Blue Label rims. This is some 10x4 rims for the front, and this box is some 9x8 rims for the back. There's one of the front rims. You get a sticker with the rims. Those are the Douglas Blue Label rims, and theirs are the lightest of the Douglas Sport Quad rims. Those front rims were $173 for both of them. I got them in the 144 bolt pattern size, and they also have them in the 156 size. These rims are 0.125 on the thickness, so they're the more thinner than the other Douglas rims, which is why they're the lightest. So since these rims are more thinner, they are much lighter, but they could bend easier. So they're only recommended for recreational riding or dune riding. They're not really made for jumping or racing, so if you're going to do that, they do have the other Douglas rims that are more thicker though, where you could use it for that. Okay, that's a little bit about the rims. Now let's see how much one of these rims weighs. There's the weight in ounces, 42.9. I'm not sure how accurate it is because each time I weighed it with the scale, I was getting a different weight. So sometimes it was 43 ounces exactly, or 42.9, but that's around how much it weighs. That's about it for the front rims. Now I'll take these back ones out of the box and see how much these ones weigh. I already cut the tape so the video wouldn't be as long. There's the side of it. So just like the front ones, these are 0.125 on the thickness, and they're designed for dune riding or recreational riding, not any really hard riding or racing. That's the back rim on the scale, and there's the weight in ounces. The scale says 47.9 for both of them. The back ones were 159, and the front ones, they're 10x4s with a 2+2 offset. The back are 9x8 with a 3+5 offset. And then you can get them for the Yamaha size, the Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki size. The front ones, they also have them in 5 inches wide. The back, they have a lot of different sizes. I got these on eBay, but you can, if you search them, you can find many other sizes for them. I guess that's about it. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know, and thanks for watching.